Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Remember to like, comment and share the video. Today we're going to work on this 20 level Toyota Wish. What we're going to do is install a brand new compressor. The reason why we're going to change the compressor is that the technician before us convert a clutch compressor on the AC system, but it won't work properly because the compressor that was on it before, it's a solenoid compressor and it used 2 solenoid on it. So if you look here, you see where they pull off the head and the old compressor that was on it before with the solenoid, and they also connect the where the other solenoid would on the old one at the bottom. They also cut off that connection and connect it to the coil, so whenever the AC turn on, the vehicle won't function properly. So sometimes the AC will turn on and the throttling start to get very low, and the next time it get high. It's because this compressor do not compatible with the system. That's the reason why that problem occur. Just gonna release the belt now. The 06 Wish and the 08 Wish, you can always convert a clutch compressor on it, but like from 20 level up, the clutch compressor can't work on it. It won't make the AC work properly. Right now we're going to pull the 2 pipes on the compressor. So the compressor is off, and as I said guys, it's always good to convert a clutch compressor on a solenoid vehicle, but you just have to know which one of the system you can convert the clutch compressor on. We're going to install a brand new one now. Right now we're just tightening up the pipes. We already bolt up the compressor. So the new compressor is on. Right now we are correcting the connection. So we have to put on back the original solenoid connection on the loom. So the 2 connection prepared and ready to connect to the compressor. So I'm just gonna cut off the heat sensor that they put here. So they actually reinstall this heat sensor because they think that the computer will send signal to the compressor, the clutch compressor that they put on it, and that don't work out. Right now we're going to remove the receiver dryer and reinstall a brand new one. This is the old dryer and this is the new one that we're going to install. Old and new receiver dryer. We'll reinstall back the condenser now. We connect back the two pipe on the condenser. So it's time to pressure the vehicle and check for a leak. Checking for a leak now. Checking the compressor. No leak on the system. So we're going to vacuum it and regas. Finish vacuum the system. So it's time to regas now. So we're going to start the engine now and turn on the AC. So the compressor is working good. You can see the gas flushing through the high side glass. Finish regas the system and you can see the low side pipe sweating a lot of water. Also the AC cycling. That's a good sign that everything is working 100%. So it's always best to convert a clutch compressor on the vehicle. The clutch compressor is even better than the solenoid one. So you just have to know what type of vehicle to put a clutch compressor on, because it's not every vehicle it will work on. So before we install this compressor, a lot of heavy throttling and check light coming up and all sort of things happen. The AC not cycling, the car burning a lot of gas. So since we removed that compressor, we realized that the vehicle is throttling properly, the AC cycling, inside of the vehicle is cooler, and now the vehicle will burn less gas. I just gonna check inside. Now the AC is blowing cold. Another successful job from Kirk School Here Auto. You can also follow us on Instagram, Kirk School Here Auto, and like us on Facebook.